Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, I want to take you on a little trip back down memory lane when I owned that little cafe on the road to nowhere. And I was Dave, chef to the stars. This is Pauley Perrette's Grilled Cheese. She came in one day wanting a grilled cheese. I said okay. First, I grabbed 2 slices of rye bread, one you can see here, buttered both sides, then added provolone cheese, some marinated artichoke hearts that I chopped up, some very thinly sliced onion slices, and then I added a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, a slice of Gouda, and then topped it off with the other slice of rye bread, and let it sit there and cook for a bit. And then you want to give it a little flip and let it cook up on the other side. And after a couple minutes, that's what I served her. She ate the whole thing down, although why she did it dressed up like a goth from high school, I have no idea. It had to do with some series she was starring in. I can't remember it. Anyway, that's Pauley Perrette's Grilled Cheese. Done.